We'll guide you through how to make fading text in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create smooth fading text effects in Adobe Illustrator for designs like posters, thumbnails, or social media content. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once the application is open, click New File to create a new document where you will design your text effect. After that, choose the document presets you want to use according to your needs so the canvas size and settings match your project requirements. Then click Create to open the canvas and begin working. Next, add your text on the canvas, for example similar to the video, so you have the main element that will be used to create the fading effect. Once your text is placed correctly, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy the text so you can create a duplicate for the blending process. After that, click the Edit menu and select Paste and Back to place the duplicated text directly behind the original text without changing its alignment. Then, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the duplicated text slightly to the left and upward, for example similar to the video, so you create a subtle offset that will define the direction of the fade effect. Next, select the Eyedropper tool and change the color of the duplicated text so it matches the background color, allowing the fade to blend smoothly into the background. After adjusting the color, press V on your keyboard and select both text objects so you can apply the blending effect between them. Click Object, then select Blend, and choose Make to create an initial blend between the two text layers. Next, click Object again, select Blend, and choose Blend Options to refine the effect. Change the spacing to specified steps so you can control how smooth the transition appears. Adjust the value according to your needs, for example similar to the video, to achieve the desired fading intensity. Click OK to apply the settings and complete the effect. Now the fading text effect has been successfully created, and you can review the result to ensure it looks smooth, balanced, and visually appealing.